Think zombies are just in horror movies? Think again. The Ophiocordyceps fungus is like something out of a nightmare. It infects ants, usually carpenter ants, through spores that latch onto their bodies. Once inside, it takes control of the ant's brain, releasing chemicals that alter its behavior. Infected ants leave their colonies, climb up vegetation, and clamp their jaws onto a leaf or branch in a death grip. Then, the fungus kills the ant and a spore-releasing stalk emerges from its head, ready to infect new hosts below. This creepy manipulation ensures the fungus reaches a high place with optimal humidity and temperature, maximizing the spread of its spores. It's not just survival, it's a masterclass in evolutionary strategy. So next time you see an ant acting strange, remember, it might not be in control of its own mind. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and keep exploring the wonders and horrors of the natural world.